When building an online business, everything starts with a domain name. Searching for and choosing your domain name can be the most fun activity. Generally, people try to obtain the shortest possible domain name that includes their keyword or keywords. This normally results in finding the desired domain name is not available. Here is some advice on picking a good domain name for your niche online business. I advise you to consider this advice, but follow your own instincts, because many online businesses have succeeded by innovating and breaking rules. Make it easy to type. Don't use slang, the letter U instead of U. Try to avoid numbers, where you will have to explain it's ONE, or it's the digit 1. Try avoiding hyphens and words with multiple spellings. Express versus express, if possible, because it will make it harder for customers to find your site. If you do have a domain that could be mistyped, try to buy all versions, and then point them all to your website. Keep it short. Shorter domains are easier to remember and prone to less typing mistakes, although very short ones are often taken or very expensive. Try to stick to words most people know how to spell and remember easily. It can be a fun game trying out various names and getting the one you want. Keep a list of any domains that are close to what you want, try various combinations, and then create a short list. Use keywords. Try using keywords that describe your business and the services you offer. Create a list of words that relate to your niche. Type your niche into Google and see what suggestions drop down from the search box. This will show you the keywords that people enter when searching for your products or services. Target your area. If your business is local, consider including your town, city, county, or state in your domain name to make it easy for local customers to find and remember. The telephone test. Imagine telling someone your domain name on the telephone. How easily do they understand and write down your domain name? Remove anything that they could get wrong or register each possible version. Be memorable. There are millions of registered domain names, so having a domain that's catchy and memorable is essential. Once you've come up with a name, share it with close friends to make sure it sounds appealing and makes sense to others. Quick solution: got a great idea for a domain? Go to carlhenrydomains.com and register it before someone else beats you to it. Important: research online before you buy it. Make sure the name you selected isn't trademarked, copyrighted, or being used by another company. It could result in a huge legal mess that could cost you a fortune, as well as your domain. If you are going to create a registered company, you should also check the company's register for the name, then try to match them up. Use an appropriate domain name extension. Extensions are the bit at the end of your domain, such as .com or .net, .info. These can have specific uses, so make sure to choose one that works for your business. .com domain extension is far and away the most popular, but it can be tough to get a short and memorable .com domain name because it's been around for so long. Try one of the new extensions. There are now a lot more new generic top-level domains, for example, photography, NYC, Guru, Club, and many more. The good news is that when you search for a domain name at our hosting company, carlhenrydomains.com, you will automatically be given a list of alternative domain name ideas. Don't ignore them because they offer a great opportunity to register short and highly relevant domain names. Here are some of the most popular domain extensions and how they should be used. .com, normally this is an e-commerce or commercial website. .co, an abbreviation for company, commerce, and community. .info, information-based website. .net, technical internet infrastructure websites. .org, non-commercial and non-profit organizations. .biz, business or commercial use. .me, blogs, CVs, or personal sites. Domain tip: you don't need to build a website for every domain. You can forward many additional domains to one website. There are also software extensions that can direct domains to specific landing pages for each domain name. Protect and build your brand. To protect your brand, you should purchase various domain extensions, as well as misspelled versions of your domain name. This prevents competitors stealing your traffic by registering other versions of your domain when your website becomes successful. It also ensures your customers are directed to your website, even if they mistype it. Act fast. Domain names sell quickly. Thankfully, they're also inexpensive, so register your favorite domain names as soon as possible. If you're having trouble finding an available name, we will suggest alternate names during your domain search to help you find the perfect domain name. Time to find your ideal name. Visit carlhenrydomains.com to search now.